Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be mixing like purple stuff into this purple slime and blue stuff into this blue slime. So as you can see, I already have the slime. So I have my purple slime and my blue slime. So these are old slimes. So it's kind of like a challenge. So today at the end when we mix them all together, we're going to see which slime is prettier and bigger, whichever one is prettier and the biggest wins. So let's start with the purple one. So I'm going to add this purple slime in. Really nice. Ooh, feels so nice. It's more like a putty than a slime, so let's add that in. I'm going to add in some of this, but I don't know if it's purple or blue, so I'm going to add half into the purple slime and half into the blue slime. So let me just rip that up. Put that in. What else should I add? Mia, why don't you add some pink lipstick? Oh, that sounds like a great idea, Slime Fairy. Thanks. Okay, so let's add in some pink lipstick. Even though it's not purple, we can still add it in. So, oh, it's a little messy when you take it out, so put that right in. Now my hands are messy. And maybe we could add in some purple glitter. Let's see, is there any purple glitter? If not, we can add pink glitter. Because pink and purple are like the closest colors you can get. So there's no purple. I'm just going to add in some pink glitter. This glitter looks really pretty, guys. We better put it in. Oh, I can't open it. Okay, that hurt my hand. Let's just put this back in here. So that's our first slime. Is there any other slimes that we should add in? Oh, we can add that in. Okay. So I found another pink slime that we could add in. I remember making this slime. So here is the third slime I'm adding in. It's really nice. I love the texture to it. So it's not that stretchy though. So yeah, put that in there. And maybe we could add just a little bit more glitter because I saw some more pink glitter in here. It's kind of purplish pinkish color, so yes. I'm adding so much. Okay, so guys, here is our first slime. I think this is going to be pretty big and really pretty. So thanks to our slime fairy, we knew what to add in. So we wouldn't have had this pink lipstick if she wouldn't have come. So next is our blue slime. I really like this slime. Already has some sparkles on it, so I don't think we need a lot of sparkles. So let's add in the slime that we split up first. Here it is. I never tested it if it's stretchy or not. Or did I? I'm not sure, but it's stretchy. And put a slime swirl inside of the slime. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Look at that. Okay, next, there is this slime, but it's kind of green. But I'm going to add it anyways because it is basically kind of blue. Green and blue and pink and purple. Okay. a really nice slime. I don't know if I want to add it in. Okay, this slime isn't going in. I'm sorry. But it has to. Okay, if it's stretchy, it doesn't go in. If it's not, it doesn't go in. Okay, it's not stretchy. Bye-bye, my pretty, beautiful, lovely textured slime. It's already in there. I remember this slime, and it is a putty. It's not a slime, so yeah. It's like a dark blue putty. It's small. Or is it a slime? Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess if you let putty sit in a Ziploc bag that you made for a long time, like the slime that you made for a long time, it will be stretchy. Well, it's not. Okay, now it's not stretchy. Great. I want to make a slime swirl. That's not a very good slime swirl. This is our slime so far, so. What else should we add in? Ooh. Is there any blue glitter? Come on, blue glitter. Oh, I see some. That's it? There's only one little container of blue glitter. Where's yours? Oh, I made a mess. Okay, I'm just gonna. Whee. That was a lot. That was so much. Oh my gosh, I wonder what these are gonna turn out to be like. Let's add some blue dye. It's gonna get very messy. Don't get on my hand. Let's add 2 drops. 2 drops. That's good. 2 drops. Probably gonna sink down into the bottom. Well, that looks pretty good, but I feel like we need something else. What else should we add? Oh, the slime fairy. Mia, why don't you add some more blue slime? Okay. That's a great idea, slime fairy. So she said we should add some more blue slime. So this is my last blue slime, and it looks pretty big. So I think this one might win, but it doesn't look pretty. That one might win. Okay, I really like this slime. Is it a slime or a putty? Well, it is very stretchy. Or not. I love the glitter inside of it. It's not slime, let's just say that. So when I squeeze it, it doesn't rip at least. But this is like a very pretty putty. I think I add water into this, so yeah. So I'm going to add that right on top of there so you can't see any of the prettiness. So I feel like this one might win because it's way bigger than that purple one, see? So let's bring this here. So I think it's time to mix now. So let's do this. Put that down there. So I think I'm going to mix the pink and purple one first because it's been sitting there for a long time. So, my gosh. Oh, that slime is all of the slime is at the bottom. Like, oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. It's like a burger taco. Look at that, guys. Oh, it's so sparkly. Look at this taco. So I squeezed the taco now. So it looks really pretty. I love all the colors that I mixed in. Oh, I felt that lipstick. I just squeezed it. Look at, do you see that? That's the lipstick there. So I really like the colors that I used. But I think this color, the original color, might take over. Hopefully it doesn't. I'm like squeezing that lipstick so it mixes in. Oh my gosh. Now it's all messy. Look at that. I just took it out. Okay. Squeeze it in there. Just make it sweet. So this is actually pretty big. Now my hands are all pink. Great. Great. That was very nice. The pink lipstick. Oh, it's all over the place. Okay, let's just mix that in. So this is a very big slime now. Look at this. Oh, I think it's gonna turn like a different colored purple because at first it kind of was like a little blue, like blue and purple at the same time. So kind of looks like a galaxy to me. Look at it. Look at that, guys. Oh no. There's lipstick on my table. Okay, well, it looks really pretty. Look at that. It looks like a galaxy. Oh my gosh. So, pink is all over my table. No. I need something to wipe that off. Is there anything? No. Okay, I'll do that later. So here is our slime. I really like this. But like all the glitter fell into the bowl. I just like literally just noticed that. I'm gonna dump it out. 1, 2, so I think our slime kind of turned pink and purple at the same time. Like it's pink and purple, literally. Look at it. It's like a galaxy. The lipstick fell out. I'm telling you, lipstick, if you don't stay in there, you're going in the garbage, lipstick. I'll take you and put you in the garbage. Okay, so let's add the rest of our glitter. So I actually really like this slime. It is so nice. Although it does have the blue sparkles inside, which I did not add. Or the stars, because at first it was like that, so. But I still like it because it looks pretty nice. It turned more like purpley-ish. So yeah. So let's put that inside of there. I tried to make it a slime swirl, but it didn't work. Okay, so you don't dry up. Let's just close the lid on you. So now it is time for our blue slime. So let's do this. So poke my fingers in there. Oh, that was so hard to do that. Okay, so oh my gosh, I just lifted it up and there's like so many colors. Like there's that green slime, that's my favorite. It kind of looks like an ocean. See, look at that. So I really like this slime. It's super stretchy, but it does have red sparkles inside of it from one of the other slimes, so yeah. Anyways, I really like this. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Do you see that? Okay, so I think the winner of this challenge is the pink one because it looks really pretty. So it's time to go now. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. So bye now.